Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable a strict tracking protection in Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature blocks trackers, third-party cookies, fingerprinting, scripts, and other tracking content to improve your online privacy. So let's get started. First, open Firefox browser, then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner, and then select settings in the drop down menu. Under Firefox settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. By default, a standard enhanced tracking protection will be enabled. Select a strict here. That's it. Now Firefox will block more trackers and provide a stronger privacy protection while browsing. Please note that in a strict mode, some websites may not function properly. If that happens, you can switch back to a standard mode. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.